What's up, guys? This is Z from Z's World, new to the RC fam. I just picked up a Traxxas XRT 8S. I'm doing the unboxing today. I got it in green. It does about 50 miles an hour. Optional gearing, you can do about 60. Comes with the wheels off of the truck. I'm gonna have to take it out of the box. I'll put the wheels on and then I'll put it back up here. Check this thing out. It's basically set up like a Traxxas Xmax, a wide max type of kit for the control arms, top and bottom. Really nice shocks. It sits lower to the ground than an Xmax, so it's more like a truggy. It runs on 8S, has a different type of clip body system to it. You grab from underneath here and you pop in the back as well on both sides, and then in the front you got to reach for it right there, and just like that the body comes off. It's cool that the body and the shocks match the same color. It has an 8S ESC, dual fans on the motor, a different style bell crank for this particular truck. I feel that this is a weak spot. I've been seeing people do a lot of videos where it does break. The actual tie rod breaks off and the bell crank breaks off inside of there. It's got even the inside here, matching green axles. It has almost the same style axle cups. Lift it up like this. It's got ventilation in the bottom there, so I believe it allows the rocks to kick out from where the servo is. And the servo is accessible. You can actually unplug it from the bottom and look at it. This way it's not as bad as taking the whole truck apart like the Xmax. It takes two 4S batteries. I just picked up the completer pack. Let me fizz in a second and show you how they fit. And it's got a different style tire. It's almost like a streetable type tire. You probably could go through a little bit of mud with this. You could drive it on the street and do like all kinds of speed runs. And you also would be probably very good to take at the skate park. It's got 17mm hexes. Okay, so now I figured I'd show you guys what comes in this little baggie here. I believe you can get another set of Traxxas hexes that have a little bit more of a bite to them. And the tires are directional. See, it'll show you left and right. There you go. See, it shows you the rotation. In the baggie, you get your standard, owner's manual, some stickers, and you get your tools and your high-speed gearing. Obviously, a different pinion gear and a bigger spur gear, and you get all your tools with it. And I have the hex upstairs. I also wanted to tell you guys, the XRT also, the body has inlets here and inlets there. I went to this hobby store and I picked up the 6700 milliamp batteries that this car takes and the charger. This is an ID charger, so as soon as you plug in any Traxxas battery with the ID cables, it'll come up and tell you and basically pair right to the battery. It has Bluetooth, so this way you could actually monitor the charging on your phone with the app. Let's see, look at the size of this battery in my hand. There's your connectors. You got one on each side. It's meant for the car. We'll put it this way, let's see. It's a big battery. Yeah, it falls right in there. See that? Perfect fit. Then I would just bring the wires back over to here. And then you just take it, push down. It should pop right in. I didn't get it to snap yet, but that's how it works. I just don't want to break the cables yet because the cables are probably in the way. And then you just do the other one. On the other side, it's got foam on the top here to protect it. That's it. So I'm going to try to use the charger tonight maybe, and I'll just charge it up and try to maybe see if I can get it out tomorrow. This thing's going to be a beast. This thing's going to be nice because you can drive it right in the street. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and there'll be some new videos to come.